In this video, I will show you how to remote play Xbox Series X or S on your phone. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on my Xbox dashboard. Now there's just something we need to check first of all. So what you're going to want to do is come into your console settings. So you just want to come up and press A onto the gear icon to come into your settings. From here on this menu on the left hand side, you want to come down to devices and connections, then press right, and you can see an option here for remote features. So what you want to do is press A onto remote features. And from here, you want to make sure that the box is ticked to enable remote features. Now at this point, what I would recommend doing is also testing remote play just to make sure your internet is good and that you are able to remote play on your phone. So what it's going to do is basically test your setup to make sure your internet is fast enough. You don't need to have the fastest internet in the world. About 10 megabytes is a good speed to start with, but of course the faster and better your internet is, the more smoother and better the remote feature is going to be. So as you can see for myself, we're looking pretty good. The only thing I've got is here, as you can see, is an exclamation mark next to network type, and it says wireless. Interference on your home network might get in the way of playing remotely. What it basically means is because there's other devices using internet in my household, that's going to, of course, decrease the bandwidth and the network allocation for remote play. But that's not a big problem, really. So what we can do once we've checked this, you can see it says you're good to go. So now what you want to do is go onto your phone. So here we are, as you can see on my phone. So what you're going to want to do at this point is open up the Xbox app on your device. So you can see the Xbox app here. You can download this for free from the Play Store. Make sure it's just the Xbox app and not the Game Pass. As you can see, I've got two apps, Xbox and Xbox Game Pass. You need the actual Xbox app. Then what you can do is just go ahead and open this up on your phone. So once this first opens up, it's going to ask you to go ahead and sign in to your account. So you just want to sign into the same account that you're logged into on your Xbox. Once you've gone ahead and signed in, it normally comes up with like an update page like this. So you can just go ahead and cross this off. You can see the cross up here in the top right hand corner. So just go ahead and press that. And from here, if you look in the top right hand corner of the screen, you've got this little icon, not the bow icon, but the one next to it. This is the one for remote play. So what you want to do is go ahead and click onto this one just up here. So as you can see, this is going to start with our console. So what you need to do from here, you can see it's picked up the console. So we need to press where it says set up a console just down here at the bottom. So you just want to press onto this. Then what you can do is either add an existing console or set up a new console. So we're just going to go ahead and press the option to set up a new console. Now it's going to say enter the code on your TV. So at this point you should see a code come up on your TV if your Xbox is on. Now because I've actually already connected my Xbox, I'm just going to exit out of this and click onto exit setup because I've actually already added this to the Xbox app. But basically, once you've entered the code on your TV, it's going to take you back to this screen, so your Xbox will be linked. And what you need to do is press onto this button down here, and this is going to take you to your consoles and games. This is your library. As you can see my console here, so you want to press onto your console, and you can see an option here to remote play on this device. So just go ahead and press onto that. As you can see, we are now remote playing on our Xbox. So this is the exact same screen as you can see on my Xbox home console just here. And you can see we have the on-screen controller. So we can just control this from here. You can see it's also controlling it on my TV. So this is good to use as like a gamepad too. And what I'm going to do is just jump into a game. So let's go ahead and load up Roblox. And as you can see, you can continue with basic touch, or you've got Bluetooth settings if you want to connect an Xbox controller. But as you can see, this is working absolutely fine. And that is how to go ahead and remote play your Xbox Series X or S on your phone. So with that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.